In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off invoice reminders in Xero. Managing your business finances includes keeping a tight rein on your invoices, and sometimes you might find yourself needing to pause those automatic reminders to clients. If that's the case, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide on navigating Xero to accomplish just that. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. From here, you're going to want to focus on the Business tab. It's pretty easy to spot, and it opens up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, you're going to select Invoices. This is your entry point into managing every detail regarding the invoices you send out. Once you've clicked on Invoices, shift your attention to the notification bell. This little icon is your next key to accessing the settings we're after. Its precise location can slightly change depending on any updates or changes Xero might roll out, but it generally sits somewhere near the top of your screen. Once you've located the bell, go ahead and click on it. Now that you've dealt with the notification bell, move on to the Settings option. This is where the magic happens. The settings choice should appear within or close to where you first noticed the notification bell. You're almost at the heart of making the changes we need. Inside the settings, your goal is to find where you can turn off the invoice reminders. This might mean toggling a switch or navigating a menu, but take a moment to ensure you're adjusting the correct format. Xero's interface is user-friendly, but it's always wise to double-check so you're making the right change. After you've succeeded in turning off the reminders, you'll want to save those changes. Look out for a save button or something similar. It's crucial, because if you skip this, none of your adjustments will stick. Finally, click close to exit the settings menu and head back to the previous screen. A good practice is to verify that your changes have been captured as intended. You can find a section or indication of your current reminder status. Make sure this shows that reminders are indeed off. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to turning off your invoice reminders in Xero. Whether you're tweaking your client communication strategy or it's just a temporary change, knowing how to adjust these settings gives you more control over your business management. Remember to keep an eye on your organization and efficiency. If you need more help, Xero offers comprehensive resources, or you can reach out to their support for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune back in for more helpful guides and tips for managing your business with ease.